If you're watching this right now, it's because you've been through a journey that I don't think a lot of people can understand. You made a life-changing decision when you had bariatric surgery. And at some point you did feel like you were winning, and you were. You lost the weight, right? But now things may feel different. Maybe the weight came back. Maybe you feel stuck, lost, or ashamed. Maybe you're scared and just don't know how to start again. First, I want you to take a deep breath with me. Right now, just one deep breath. Breathe. You are not alone. And more importantly, you're not broken. So I see you. I feel you. And I know that right now you might feel like a failure. But let me be real clear. You're not a failure. Life has indeed thrown a lot of you challenges, losses, health issues, financial problems, stress, and emotional struggles. And it's all right if you feel like you've fallen off track. You know what? It is what it is. You're here, right? It's already done. It's already done. So you're here at this point. What's not okay, it's believing that you can't do it. Believing that you cannot take control again. So I want to tell you something that nobody told me when I struggled. You don't have to do this alone. You don't have to be perfect, and you don't have to punish yourself to get back on track. I think a lot of us have tried a lot of methods to get back on track, and we just feel stuck. We're confused, and we just don't know what to do anymore. This is why I created this community. A place where, you know what, you don't have to explain yourself. There's not going to be any judgment. And where you don't have to hear the same mold, just eat less, eat more protein, drink more water. That does not really address the struggles that you're facing, because you know all of this already. So there's something else. So right now there's about close to 300 people in this group. All of these people understand exactly what it is that you're going through, because I guess we're all going through the same thing, or else we wouldn't be here. What you need to focus on right now is hope, right? What you need is a way for you to take control again without feeling overwhelmed. That's what we're going to do together. Step by step, one simple action at a time. So if you're ready, not for a diet or just another impossible plan, but for real support, I want you to come join us. But really come join us. Be active in the group, because this is going to really help you. There's no pressure to this group. It's just going to be a place where you are going to be allowed to feel like yourself again. You, my friend, are still worthy of feeling comfortable in your body. You do have the power to take control, but we'll get to that. You're not going to hear about calories or gyms right now. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm not going to tell you what proteins to have. We're not going to do any of that, because right now you're probably overwhelmed with hearing all of that, with trying all of that. So we're just going to leave that out for a second. We'll come back to it. But for right now, we're going to leave that out. Now, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I want you to go join the group. Most of you are in the Facebook group already. If you're on Facebook, come join the group. You're on YouTube, please join us here. There's going to be 2 forums. One's going to be here on YouTube, because I want to reach everybody that is having these issues, and I can't control that scope with just one social platform. I want this to be a universal family, because you know what? Everybody struggles. A lot of people struggle with the same issues, but you're going to be okay. Make sure that you go down in the links and download the freebies that I have for you. It is a simple plan. It's just some light-hearted plan that just kind of gets our feet wet back into the ocean. It's like when you go to the ocean, you've been there plenty of times, right? But every single time you have to dip one toe in at a time, because you're scared that the water is so cold. But eventually you remember that you've been there before, and then you get acclimated back again. So it's the same type of analogy. So go down in the links, grab your freebies, join the group. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss any of the motivation that we have coming forward here on this channel. We're here to help you. We're not going to judge you, and hopefully we'll all work together. We'll all work together to get everybody back on track. So I hope this video helps somebody. Until the next video, bye.